Hi everyone, this is Ann. I am over at a property checking in on it, and Jared's here with Pool Pal and he's doing a service. And I just like to introduce you a little bit about Pool Pal, because if you haven't used them, you should know a little bit about them. This is Jared. Say hi to Jared. Hi
guys.
So he comes over and he actually helps service the pool. So can you just give us a little insight of what you do?
So, to start, we would come and open the pool, and then we would come every day until it was clean, clear, and balanced. Chems, vacuuming, backwash and rinse, all the essentials to keeping your pool nice and blue.
Yeah, awesome. So what's the advantage? I know like a lot of sellers or people that own pools usually have a tendency to do it themselves, but sometimes they just don't have time, right? So it's a good advantage to hire people.
And a lot of people like really struggle with like the balancing of the chemicals and just like being able to keep it blue.
Yeah. So just a quick question. I know a lot of people are changing it from chlorine to salt water. Is there advantages over one over the other?
It's both chlorine technically. But I wouldn't say that there's an advantage other than some people's skin react to chlorine like more severely than like the salt chlorine. So
okay,
I think I would say that is
cool. Thank you for taking the time to talk to me. And if you haven't used them or heard of them, you should check them out. And where are you located?
We're out of Franklin, but we're all over.
Okay, awesome. So if you need help with your pool in the MetroWest, you know who to contact. Pool Pal. Thanks. Have a great day.